All right. So I came home and I ate some food, was like, I need to do something productive because if I don't do something productive today, I I go crazy. I literally like start beating myself up on the inside if I don't do something, right? And everything I keep thinking of, I can't do because I broke my lock in my shed. I'm building a like woodworking shed and I literally fucking broke the lock. So the only person who has my key, is my fiance, and she's not home yet. And of course, by the time she gets home, then I don't really want to do it. So I need to copy it. Then I thought, okay, let me like do some organizing. Done the organizing. Now I'm like, what the hell do I do? I saw a painting that I have to hang up. Okay, this bad boy. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I gotta hang it up. But guess what? Hammers also in the shed. So today I'm gonna still try to hang it up and see how it turns out. I have an hour before she gets home. I have an hour to do this. I even have a hinge kit. It'll be super easy. We're just gonna ponder beneath this light fixture, you know? Super simple and easy. Looks like it's a nice place. All right. Now how do I set this up? It's a little tall. Just scared my cat because I accidentally dropped a cat bed when I walked over. Ugh. All right. Yo. Yo. All right, we did it. Bam. Okay, cool. Grab our painting. Step one. Now I'm not going to find a stud. Although I do think one's right there. We'll try. We'll see. Now what do we got on this bad boy? We got a wire already on it. So it's super easy. I am going to use, you know what? Because we have the wire, I'm going to use one of these. I've never used one of these before. They're like the really big hangy clip. So I'm going to just shove nails through each of those three. That seems pretty easy. Now, I feel like using brass screws isn't the smartest idea because brass is a lighter material, but that's all we got. So, how am I going to do this? Like this? Hey. Now, you don't put the first one all the way in because you still want to be able to move it and make sure it's level. You know what's funny? I just realized they give you a level in this. Guess what? This is the level. It's just a jar with a little leveler in it. Oh, a little bubble. I'm holding this perfectly level. I don't know. I mean, I guess it'll work, right? For what we need it. It'll do. It'll do. Come on. Come on. Hey, three in, two in. Last one, baby. Clean. All right, let's see. Let's see if it works. Wow. Fantastic. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you hang up a beautiful painting using a picture hanging kit and your good old bacon iron. Handy dandy bacon iron. Bacon press. It literally says it right there. God, this needs to be fucking clean. This is disgusting looking up close. Oh, God. Oh, sheesh, I'm lightheaded now. Just, God, that's... Oh.